Next, you guys are going to see me in a music video for Lando's favorite artist.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Alkaline. Alkaline. Yeah. You guys are gonna see me in Alkaline's music video.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Vendetta fans. As a Vendetta fan, I'm proud of fuck, you know. When we did him call the media, they did him call on the fuck, you know. I was straight. You see showing the fuck last week? Humbuckler.
A few moments later.
Foota, I tell you something. You know, one country in America, and one normal place. I used to live there. I used to go to school. I grew up in New York. I used to go to school named PS 121 in Queens. So, I don't want nobody tell me about America. You better find yourself a 9 to 5 and turn up your thing. Because the least amount of money you have to have if you can live a comfortable life, or you have to calculate even 7,000 US a month.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
Masika has outgrown dancehall.
Another quick one. You know, it's about 2 days ago. I have scrolled through YouTube and see one title on a video where it say, has Massacre outgrown dancehall? And me get confused same time. I mean, I say, which dancehall am I talking about?
That real. Bomb, yo, Massacre and family. I hope you not take notes and write this down.
2,000 years later.
What a show! Sunday night in Antigua. Wanna come tweet and blog about that now? Come tweet and blog about the show Sunday night, man. In Antigua, Alkaline mash up, shell it down, rumble in the blood clot jungle it was. Yes, it was shake it up like an earthquake crumble. And yeah, Mr. Some little underprivileged, low life, bomb / dark shit.
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
Wagwan, they don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said, people. You don't know media facts go to work, you know, people. Big up, you know, you don't know respect to all ones. You understand? But we see a video forward on. See it go viral and thing. You see me? I think the girl named Emmy come from Africa. She has said something. You understand? But I guess she don't understand who the artist is. She thinks he's an artist like Valiant, but no disrespect to Valiant, but it's just an access. You understand? Yeah, man. So, make we go in that video.
Next, you guys are going to see me in a music video for Lando's favorite artist. Who knows Lando's favorite artist? Let me see who is Lando's real fan. You guys are going to see me next in the video with Lando's favorite artist. Tika, Akim, okay, Karen, okay, Relay. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's only the super fans that I see them commenting the right answer. Alkaline. Yeah. You guys are gonna see me in Alkaline's music video. You guys are going to see me in Alkaline's music video.
Alright. Boy. People. You know what? I feel like Alkaline is social media. To be honest. Sometimes I wonder how Alkaline name just fouled up out of the blue. There's so many dancehall artists. So many. I mean, it's like every season, every moment, Alkaline name Africa feed actually go viral. I don't know. When Hurricane go on, Alkaline. When man keep them first show when them come from prison, Alkaline. Seeing any little moment, song, Alkaline, everything. Every weather name that youth name call, there is something. Imagine she call the next other artist. I think it'll go viral, you know. You understand like this? Especially if you're an artist where everybody knows say, look here. This your money and I want artist where I go just get to so her. You understand? No friend thing, no par thing. Cause you don't know what going on in media with she and Valiant and Array. But me, from a see it from the get go, I know it's a little skit. You know, because you don't know the media stay already. The drama. Them think they sell on the media. So when them say fear a little bududoops, way. They must say, yo, she start, you know, but I guess to me, I guess she a try, you know, create a controversy and make her a little money and all of them little thing there. You understand? But I guess, you know, she say the youth named Lando, Alkaline, her favorite artist. But I don't know. There's so many dancehall artists in the game, but I don't know, it's just Alkaline name always go viral. And you know why worst thing, people? Are the only artist me see in a dancehall where don't do social media by himself and him go viral the most. The youth are half irrelevant in a dancehall. Him half irrelevant to society. You understand? Because if the youth not use social media, him not post and them little thing the base pan where you would have see certain artists would have do. And him name just always a call more than any other dancehall artist where you would not see a post and all of them little thing there. You have a dancehall artist where you post every day and now get one little viral moment. But I say it go still. You see me, when you're very relevant without you trying to be relevant, you don't know say yo, it's a different level that. You see me, but I say it go Emmy, but no disrespect, but Alkaline is one of them artists. You have to understand, say a superstar this. It's like it's like I know an artist where you can just you're a music video or one bag of thing. And that's how it go. You understand? No disrespect. You see it? I just one of them things when it comes to Alkaline. I one of the artists where you only I go get Alkaline based on if you book him for your show. I remember say the show where my book for now you can't just must. You understand? If him schedule out, yeah. But your show have really legit. You understand? Yeah, man, it can't be no corner shop show and all of them little things. No. You see me? But me see the little thing people are going and she get a little viral moment. You don't know Alkaline that. Any when Alkaline name call, you know that go already. It go viral. See them are forward with Armani song and Girl Good and all of them little things. I'm have to just shame mate. But you don't know once Alkaline, see people in the comment and say a bag of thing and I say, alright. Go and do nothing cause you don't know me that fast go to work. A reality with you. You understand? Yeah man. So we're gonna give embassy that say.
Rose, Vendetta fans. As a Vendetta fan, I'm proud of fuck, when we did him call the media. The did him call on the fuck, I just straight. You see show in fuck last week? Humbuckler. I wish we'd do again next week. I did him call on nothing more. No fucking move. And I hear the DJ him call on no transgender no video. Now he cancel on the show and take him $5. The Alkaline here. Consistent. How are you, man? Consistent. And I talk about no drama. Consistent, good music and good performance to people. And the Caribbean people love it, man. I will see the support.
And that is what an artist is supposed to be always talking about. Shows and music. That is the only thing you can put out there where you can make money off as an artist. You understand? Yeah. When it comes to music, everything should be around music. If I know about music, it don't make no sense. You understand? Your name in the media call up on baby mother. Your name in the media call up on some different thing. You see me? Some unnecessary thing where you could have uplift and make your career look good. Nobody now disrespect you. All of them think they for the wrong reason. All of them look in the media. So it's a good thing. Enough of them would want to see Alkaline private life, but I know so it go, I know so it work. You see me? I do some music for focus pan. You see? I remember, all of the dancehall artists them, if them never do music, nobody wouldn't care about them right now. You understand? Nobody wouldn't talk about them. You see it? If Alkaline never been on music, it would be relevant in that. If Cartel, Massacre, Buju Bantan, all of the artists them, Beanie Man, Shaggy, Shampard, if them never did do music, there wouldn't be nobody in a society based on who wanna know them for now. Music make you know them. You see me? Anything else, them wouldn't really to the like that. We wouldn't talk about them every day and them look at thing there. Is it? Yeah, man. I just saw a thing, sir. Is it?
Yeah, people. Remember this Friday, I got a gym weekend. I'll fuck the whole place, and I won't count that. They know only that much make a different thing. So I'll watch up them out. I'll get answer now. Yeah, man, the people. We're proud of the DJ, man. I'm here, man. DJ are going really good. And when I hear the audience call for a controversial create. And the man we have in the video. The chance that we have in the video, we create. And if I last show, we can't set up, we create. I was some boy. But instead of the media. But instead they have internet. I would them, man. When I hear the name of call, when we didn't call, I'll be a fucking name of call, man. We got Alkaline, you see me? This Friday, gym weekend. Bad.
Yeah, man, a mad thing, man, a mad thing. Is it? I don't know normal people. You see me? Place I got mash up, man. Dream weekend. How we not tomorrow? Tomorrow, 31st? Yeah, man. You know, I don't know normal people, so. I just one of them thing there. You don't know Alkaline. The only reason Alkaline name will call with other things otherwise from music and them look at something there is if it's just a hater just call him out for some unnecessary. Seem like them I say, yo, we him woman them, they we him this and we him that. You understand? Yeah. But you don't know what's in media and all of them good thing there. So much me say a bagger unnecessary thing when it comes to artists I chat a bagger things. In the media, other people bring them down and all of them good thing there. If Alkaline the want stay relevant by himself, he would in the media. Man no run down clout and them thing there. You understand? The man even post. For sure he said the youth no want no clout. The youth just want people them listen to him music. You understand? That's all. But him name always a call. You have to relevant, you know. If nobody no see you, none at all, and your name always a call, you have to be relevant. You understand? And like some artists who are post every day and ready to try keep up and try to stay in the media and everybody talk about him. You understand? Yeah, man. I just one of them thing there. You see it? If some of them no post none at all, you would see the difference. The Alkaline have to do that. You see it?
Foota, I tell you something. You know, one country in America, and one normal place. I used to live there. I used to go to school. I grew up in New York. I used to go to school in PS 121 in Queens. So, I don't want nobody tell me about America. You better find yourself a 9 to 5 and turn up your thing. Because the least amount of money you have to have if you can live a comfortable life. You have to calculate even $7,000 US a month for one person to actually live a comfortable life. And what more you know is, you see medical bills in America. If you ever get sick in America and don't have health insurance, you see the medical bills in a normal. So you have to play one rough ball game on youth. And based on my understanding, I don't know your financial stability or whatever, but based on me here, me say the man is them and the producer them take care of you. I don't know what truth is allegedly. So based on me can tell you, go in America and turn yourself in a cruff, yeah? Find something to do if the music now work out the way it's supposed to work out.
What? People, Patakos Kickle. Brother, Necko fire. Bro, you know make no difference, my G. You depend on the media more than Foota hype. You understand? You post single every day. You post a video every day. You're not different. You was the same one. I go after the Gaza with you. Some don't know how come now you are call out Foota hype on the same thing where you usually do. You understand? You depend on me. You figure find a 95 to be G. Now every day depend on me there. You're not a 95 me G. You select a same like Foota hype. You understand? Same like Foota hype. So you are give a man advice and you not really better me G. You are work off a hearsay. Say man but Marley's and them little thing there. That even make no sense, bro. When Foota hype are DJ and are doing bookings and all of them little thing there. See sometimes brother you out of anybody, you bro, you know if you give nobody advice, me G. If you is a DJ, Foota is a DJ, Foota go look at 95, you go look at 95 too. Cause you do the same thing with Foota hype, me G. You understand? You call out every artist. See? You're DJ. You depend on me there every day, you post on TikTok, you post on Instagram. Same goddamn thing. So you don't make a difference, me G. You don't make no sense. You give Foota advice, because you not do better, me G. You understand? I'm sure you not get no bookings like how Foota get bookings, me G. And we're not talking about no little corner show and them little thing. We're talking about shows, yeah. You see me? You not get the booking. So I don't know who really forget the 95. You see it?
And nothing wrong if you do the music and work. All I would do it. Majority of selector them do it. Yeah, man. And no matter how big you see the fire, yeah, man, me have work too, man. Yeah, man, me have work, man. You might be an entrepreneur, because me is a businessman. But me have work too. Find a business too. And me give you an opportunity a lifetime. That's it. Me go sell me cash shop and me sell. You sell me $100. And me buy some black for you. Me will give you first 100 black. And you find somewhere in Jamaica where you can capture a piece of land, or if you have a place for cassava piece, or somewhere, and you start work for your retirement home. I don't feel like say you go young forever. My son are we, you know, but I choose and I put type alone. Everybody in the music industry. Remember say don't come with no pension and no government to work with. So don't in a foreign and make foreign turn in a cruff. And the hype and the 20 years or 15 years ago used to be the man. And I saw America work, America not busy about you. I'm gonna do it. So do the right thing. And Necko for you can bust your back, you know, make you bust your back. In a dancer. Trust and believe me, I tell you, make Necko for you can bust your back.
Masika has
Yo, I never say a must. I never say a person so delusional to write it. Chano youth, me I tell you. Necko Fire. First of all, you're a DJ. We don't know what you do. What we can say you do for dancehall, my G. You understand? You're a DJ. Brother, most of the time when I see you a DJ upon TikTok, brother. To be honest, I would me see you get one little bookings. I must see for Canada or one of them places. I must see TikTok every day. I see you a DJ upon. So, I don't know. You see me? I don't know. We know Foota stay already. You understand? But you know better, my G. I tell you. We're going to make social too, we tell you what I go on.
Around dancehall.
Another quick one. You know it's about 2 days ago? I have scrolled through YouTube, I'm seeing one title on a video where it say, has Massacre outgrown dancehall? And me get confused same time. I mean I say, which dancehall am I talking about? Has Massacre outgrown dancehall? That was the question. So I want to ask you, the viewers, which dancehall has Massacre outgrown? For even that question to be generated, I am literally confused right now. Where under God's green earth could anybody in their rightful mind be thinking that Massacre has outgrown dancehall? How? Where? When? How? Massacre has always been around, you know. Don't get me wrong. Make some good music, don't get me wrong. But there has never been a time when Massacre dominated dancehall. Never. He has always been in the space. He has always just been there. But in terms of dominating the space, no. It has never happened before. We have never seen that. So how is it these one-side vloggers on YouTube really thought it was necessary to come up with a question asking viewers to prick their mind to say, has Massacre outgrown dancehall?
But the worst thing is that, you know, how do an artist represent dancehall, outgrown dancehall? I don't understand. Or if you outgrown something where that's your, what do you call it, your title. You're a dancehall artist. How you outgrown that? You understand? You only can be more of a bigger artist in dancehall. Like more achievement in dancehall. Because you got always do dancehall. You understand? It no matter if you collaborate with a hip-hop artist or this artist, it's still dancehall same way. You understand? Yeah, I do a mixture. I want different. It's still dancehall. So I don't know how grown. That don't even make any sense. You see me? Yeah. It's like when Shensia say she give dancehall 5 years. Jesus. Look how much years, how much great dancehall artist in the game, and Shensia just bust the time when she attack. And say she give dancehall 5 years. And then when you check it now, she end up have to come back straight in the dancehall roots. Eh? Imagine. She said she give dancehall 5 years. The dancehall people know what you have to do. So you go give it 5 years. You don't know, say, I just say your career go just drop boof. Eh? Yeah, man, sometimes people just feel like them just can. At the end of the day, you know, see, a tree always have a root. A tree can't grow without a root. You see me? There has to be a root for a tree to grow. So if you say you give your root 5 years, see? Oh, it will go grow. Oh, you go grow with the root. You understand? Because remember, you know, humans grow like a tree. You understand? You get water, you get it little thing them to make it grow. You see me? You get it little treatment. Same with you, man. You all are fresh, you eat your food, you eat healthy, you drink your water. Someone know how somebody outgrown them own root. You understand? But you see the thing with Massacre now, you know, we can see we saw Barclays Center go. You see me? Yeah. That's how that turn out, you know, and see what go on. Yeah, I just that, because, I don't know, Massacre a damn thing, but I don't know, Massacre career is like, just kind of confusing. You see me? It's just a bag of talking, a bag of exaggeration, consistent, hot, this, that, but when him go certain places, like, the crowd will stand up on him like, who is this guy? Why am he standing up in the crowd and don't know his songs? Can't sing it out. I just one of them thing there.
People, you have to help me figure this one out. Has Massacre outgrown dancehall? The last 4 shows that he had in the Caribbean over the past few months, we have all seen it. Were they all good? How was the performance like?
Dr. Earl, or yo, Massacre and family. I will not take notes and write this down. You see how Alkaline organized war? You see how Alkaline jail up Gulligan and shot him 2 backs. That's Gulligan that he said, no man. What the boy are going with? You know, Alkaline shoot after Gulligan. And Gulligan recognize it till 1 year after. This is a war between Gulligan and Alkaline have gone almost 3 years now. But because the guys are fans them, and the guys are faggers them, kind of blaggers them, you know. Mali than them, they were YouTuber blaggers. The guys are faggers them. Them so stuck in this, them is stuck in this Gaza delusional. That's them don't know how we accumulate lyrics and shades nowadays. When my father recognized the Alkaline did shoot out 2 lakhs them. And last year, which is 2025, when Alkaline shoot out 2 lakhs them for 2024 in a dangerous youth. So last year, when they can come back and say, Pussy child this me from last year. But when you say Pussy child this me from last year, he just never recognize, he never realize that when Alkaline, he and P. Rastaman in a dangerous youth and shoot out 2 lakhs them. He take him a year after looking at the mirror. And realize that wait, but 2 lakhs missing here, someone. They must say, wait. Big guns. I got my friend them fire. Alkaline say disgusting. Well, that. We are talking about empty barrel now and decking. Alright. Tamili and Massacre. Who not take notes? You know this fool who are not going away? And funny enough, who no call name. Tamili run out here. And him call out Massacre brawling. Massacre run out. And him call Tamili name brawling. Massacre call Vice Cartel brawling. I know he come like to no warning of one. And even during that time, Mavado and Alkaline, I throw shades at each other. I know see Mavado can drop empty barrel there. Where many people still can't pick it up. But as a youth like me, where I come from cassette days now music, record, then CD. No, me a play a laptop, MacBook me there. Me know how no artist can come out here, come sing no song. Where some type of way and sound like them man. Throw shades and me no pick up that fast. But most people, if an artist no, call an artist name or this up, no, them can't pick it up. When most people realize that Alkaline can say right, but Alkaline never go around that. Take notes.
What a show. Sunday night in Antigua. Why not come tweet and blog about that now? Come tweet and blog about the show Sunday night, man. In Antigua, Alkaline mash up, shell it down. Rumble in the blood clot jungle it was. Yes, shake it up. Like an earthquake crumble. And yeah, Mr. Something called underprivileged, low life, bomb/dog shit. I comment on my post and I say, oh, you need to get off social media, you're old, da da da.
I say, go in a Marva. You see, most of the time, you know. You see, when them a bring down, them no want a great moment. When bring down a go on. I remember the time when Hurricane made a category 5. Hurricane mash up the whole of the west side of Jamaica. And some artists go down there and thing. Right? You don't know Alkaline, they keep him new rules in the summer last year. See me? People them start call out Alkaline because them say massacre, them say this artist. Wait. You don't know the whole trending, the whole controversy, everybody do them video and way. So everybody a call out Alkaline, yo, where they and this and that and right. See? Knowing you know. If you not see them man they go up on a show or do a music video or just land now one country if you do a show or now you understand or put out a music, you not see him. Since them call him out say, yo, this and that and him not care about the people them. So when Alkaline team roll out and I give it to Chilani and Westmoreland and these places, watch it, right? And it start go viral and people start put it out. Then everybody silent. Everybody silent. You know why? Because it was all a trend. When Alkaline do him thing, him do his thing genuinely. Him not look no clout. You understand? Him not look no clout with it. You see it? So I just one of them thing there, you know. Them only want to talk about you when them want have the opportunity to make you look bad. You see me? But when you actually do something good, no, them not gonna like that. As a society stay, is it? Yeah, man.
Answer. Agent Anna, if you plan to die, yeah, go ahead. You could go jump off a building. When them read your program, them say, oh, he or she was so young and they died. Yes. When them read my one, them say she live a good life. Yes. But it look like on a plan for the young up here, SYM this and SYM that. But it's a foolish dog bark at a flying bird, and I'm no fool. I'm not dumb and I'm not bloodly stupid and I'm not blind, deaf and dumb and everything in a one Alkaline, one key man to the world. I need a shelling event this weekend. Yeah. This weekend. Oh, no.
People, Alkaline, I got their gym weekend, you know. Yeah. I think tomorrow. Is it? Yeah, man. I think tomorrow the 31st. Yeah, so look out. You see me? I'm not normal. You see me? Yeah, man. Vendetta boss.
Compete when you can't compare. I don't want to compete with a man when I don't even compare. Like, seriously. No, sister, I want to go let you Alkaline. Yes. The link up between him and I really like it. It melt my heart. Yes. But it kind of feels genuine to me. So that's why I said melt my heart. But you have some little underprivileged, low life, dark shit with them come at the band, suck about ass. Anybody come on my post and comment, not know me, not like me, I black on them. I go on the inbox first and then black on them. Yeah. I go black on them. Because I don't know me. And them say freedom of speech. Love me make my blood clot talk. Like how Alkaline say, Lord, make him live his life. Love me make me talk. And my mouth, I make me talk. Anything I want to talk about. Nice, clean mouth. Yes. One key man, one locksmith, one golden child, one Alkaline. Never two. Yeah, never two. No little low life overnight other privileged termite or not. Yes. All I want is a bunch of termites. Come for me, because I come for you to come. I tell them about your whole family. Not even your mother alone, your whole blood clot family. Yeah. Because for no mother, you know, sorry Shabba alone, you know. Yeah, no mother sorry Shabba, no man. Because you know, it's a sorry excuse of a human life. Yeah. Sorry excuse of a human life. That's you guys, yeah. You can't defend no people and talk for no people, but leave good people out and name and mouth and talk and stop dead people for suck this and suck that. I want to ban a suck. I only name Suckabola. Suckabola.
Yeah, man, you don't know that a Marva represent. You see me? Yeah, man, I wonder if vendetta people, let me see it. Yeah, man, big up Marva and happy, you see it? Yeah, man, but people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, reach 5K subscriber. Respect to all that support Media Facts. 1 year now. 5K. You see it? Yeah, man. One day we're going to reach 100K. You see me, if God's be life. You don't know. I just one of them things there, but you don't know, keep on doing and put in the work. You understand? Find your work, you have the family, though. I one Media Facts pan up, you don't know, mad thing. That is it.